So after 1 hour of drive, we are somewhere, I guess, near Ubud. We just arrived in our place for the 2 days and we are blown away how beautiful this place actually is. This is our living room. This is the bedroom. Still not ready, but they will do it. And I haven't seen the shower. Okay, this is the shower. But the best thing is the view. Let me show you the view. And from here tomorrow, I'm really curious about how the sunrise will be looking like. So the rate right now is per night 350,000 rupiah, which is about a little bit less than 20 euros. Which for this apartment is a really nice price, including the breakfast. And to be honest, if we have enough of the heat in the south, I will stay here for longer because it's absolutely beautiful. Suddenly it's gone. Peter is flying the drone, and behind me is the waterfall. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, let's go back. We are walking through this perfect bridge very slowly. There you go. Waiting for the rain to stop. Okay, let's go. The weather is nice again. this one behind where I was living when I was a kid. It was the everything looks like the playground from the 90s in the East European countries. Yes, Peter, we had something like this when we were kids. Early 19s Ostblock.
Good morning, Bali. What a great view. Stop here for the nice view.
nervous because there are so many trees and I don't know how he will make the slalom, but it's okay. Yes, behind me is the Twiu waterfall. We are absolutely alone. There is one guy that is working here, but as you can see, absolutely peaceful still. Some clouds are coming, but we already had made our photos. Now are the drone photos, and then we are ready to go.